Okay, so I made 2 loaves and the last one is in the oven right now for 25 minutes. Amazing. These loaves are so, yes, you guys, my loaves are amazing. Oh, I can't get enough. I'm making over easy eggs right now. I made a little sandwich for Jake with my sourdough, jalapeno and cheddar sourdough. I just made toast. Basically, I take a garlic clove. I like to do this every time, you know. It's so good. I love it. I swear every time I pick up the camera and vlog, I look like a train wreck, but don't give a shit. So good. Oh, wow, she's not kidding. She hooked you up. Here, Jeremy. Yummy fries. I think his favorite fries are Wendy's. I just got done putting Noelle down for her nap, and so I am actually going to clean up my kitchen because it's very messy. Like, I don't like it. Dishes there. I just need to clean up real quick and then gather all my laundry together. Yeah. I need to make a list for my next grocery. And then we need to get some sugar granulated. That's all for now. It's right here. Here's the little guy. Whenever he goes outside and his paws are extremely dirty or just in general, he gets a bath. Well, just his legs. He gets his paws cleaned. Good boy. Yeah, definitely have to go to the store soon. Now, when I get a moment like this, when it's quiet time and Noelle is sleeping, what I like to do is get on with my baking or any dinner plans that I happen to have planned out. It is 10:34. You good? You smell a little bit decent? What? No, I left it too long. Did I leave it too long? Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, so let's just... Oh, bubbles. Look at this bubble. That's gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my god. This one is a bubble too. This one's really big. On with it. Those should pretty much be well established considering that I left it 2 days. Oh my gosh, it's so... Oh, I can't. Got my bench scraper right here. This is one of my favorite tool to use. very airy. Okay. Oh no, it's breaking off. I'm gonna shape these. I have my dough out like this. Look at that. Look at that. This dough is perfect for focaccia right now. It's one down. Just floating. I'm setting these aside right now because I'm still waiting for my other one. Okay, these ones are gonna be Jake's because he loves cheese. As you can see, I've packed it on there. Pretty good. Here's the other one. All we do now is wait. I don't know if you guys remember Venus, but my starter. This is her right now, and she is thriving really well. I have to feed her. She's doing so good. Their bread flour. Okay, my girl Venus, I don't know. Okay, so my starter was like right, and I fed it to about right here. And bitch, look how much this thing grew. Like, I'm just so amazed right now. Look how much bubbles there are. Like, Venus, girl, you gotta calm down.
And the first stage in my particular trifle is to make a syrup, and I've done this simply by boiling.
Very nice. And Sissy is just, she's a mess. Wow. Okay, I am now a baker, I swear. But here's some bagels. See, it's how I would imagine bagels. Really good. This was a success. Okay, I'm gonna be making dinner now. I'm gonna start prepping all my ingredients and stuff. And then my meats. This right now. Oh god, it smells so good. He knows what he's doing. Are you home now? Cooking this Filipino Pinoy lumpia. Ako ang lumpia. I'm making a confetti cake. Oh yeah, and I'm also making a sourdough loaf. I've already did my stretch and fold for this one. I don't know why it's so calming to just kind of do that. It's been stretched and fold. I'm gonna leave it to proof overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna be able to, you know, bake. Hold up, wait a minute. My bad, guys. I did not show you the finished product. Confetti cake. I did not show you my confetti cake. Feast your eyes on confetti. Anyway, it has to go back into the fridge to set.